In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. This simple and efficient skill will save you time, especially when working on projects or reports that require a sequential date series. Whether you're managing schedules, timesheets, or any kind of timeline, being able to swiftly fill in dates can enhance your productivity significantly. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, begin by opening your Google Sheets application on your computer. If you have an existing spreadsheet where you need these dates, open that. If not, you can create a new sheet by navigating to Google Sheets and selecting the blank option to start fresh. Once your sheet is open, decide on the starting point for your date sequence. Click on one of the cells where you'd like to begin, and type in your starting date. For example, if today is January 1st, 2023, go ahead and type 01/01/2023 into the selected cell. Make sure you enter the date in a format that Google Sheets recognizes, usually MMDDYYY or DDMMYYY, depending on your regional settings. Next, move to the cell directly below or adjacent to your starting date, depending on whether you want your dates to flow down a column or across a row. Here, enter the next consecutive date. So, following our earlier example, if you started with January 1st, enter January 2nd, 2023 in the next cell. This step sets up the pattern that Google Sheets will use to determine how you want the series continued. Now, with both of these dates entered, click and drag your mouse over the two cells to select them both. You'll notice that both cells are highlighted, indicating your selection. This is important because Google Sheets uses this selection to identify and replicate the pattern. Then, take a close look at the selection. At the bottom right corner, you'll see a small blue square. This is known as the fill handle. Hover your cursor over this square, and you'll notice it changes to a cross or plus sign. Now, click and hold the fill handle. While holding down, drag it downwards if your dates are in a column or across if they're in a row. It's up to you how far you drag it. The cells you select by dragging are the ones that Google Sheets will fill with the continuing sequence. Once you've dragged the fill handle across the desired range, release the mouse button. Google Sheets will automatically fill the cells with the subsequent dates in chronological order. This fills in the dates efficiently, saving you from entering them one by one manually. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Sheets to autofill dates, allowing you to quickly create extended date series with ease. This little trick can make your data entry tasks far more efficient and your spreadsheet mastery even stronger.